Hello everyone. I welcome you all to Keralakkam CBSE School Mudur online classes. So in previous class we discussed examples on how to create or construct quadrilaterals in different types of situations or conditions given. So today I will consider another example where three sides and two angles are given. So this is the example when three sides and two angles are given. Two angles are given. So here, for example, I will consider quadrilateral ABCD where AB is 4 centimeter, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter, CD 6.5 centimeter, CD 6.5 centimeter, angle B is 105 degree, angle B is 105 degree, and angle C is 80 degree. Angle C is 80 degree. So now what I will do, first I will draw one rough diagram. So this is the quadrilateral and here they are given three sides A, B, B, C, C, D. Three sides and two angles. Here angle B is 105 degree, angle C is 80 degree. So here I will consider here angle B and C. So it will be easy to construct angles when you consider this BC as the baseline because they are given angle B and angle C. Therefore, I will consider angle B and C as the baseline and here I will write A, B, C, D. This is the quadrilateral and here AB is of 4 centimeter and BC this is 5 centimeter and CD 6.5 centimeter. Angle B is 105 degree. This is 105 degree, and angle C this is 80 degree. So this is the rough diagram. Now we will start to construct this quadrilateral, where three sides and two angles are given. First, I will draw this baseline BC. BC, which is of 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeter. BC. So now angle B is 105 degree. Angle B is 105 degree. Now we have to construct this 105 degree by using compass. So 105 is between 90 and 120 because it is 15 more than 90 and 15 less than 120. Therefore 105 is between 90 and 120. So now first I will construct 105. It is between 90 and 120. So now take a minimum distance of compass and draw an arc here. Now you all know how to take 60 degree and 120 degree. I discussed this in introduction part only. So here I will mark 60 degree and 120 degree. So you should mark these arcs by using compass only. By taking a minimum distance, so you have to keep the needle of the compass on line of intersection here, and here you have to intersect, which will give 60 degree. Like this only, you have to keep the compass on 60 degree and draw an arc again. So here you will get 90 degree. But here, sorry, you get here 120 degree. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Here 105 is between 90 and 120. And to get 90 degree, 90 degree is between 60 degree and 120 degree. Because 90 is 30 greater than 60, 30 less than 120. Therefore, what we can do here? We have 60 degree and 120 degree. By using these two angles, I will construct 90 degree. So by keeping in same distance of the compass, place it on 120 degree intersection here and draw an arc here, and this only from 60 degree draw an arc. If you join this line, you get 90 degree. So now you can construct 105 degree because it is between 90 degree and 120 degree. Here we have 90 degree and 120 degree. Here line of intersection here it is, and keep the compass on 90 degree line of intersection here, and by taking the same distance of the compass, draw an arc like this. Definitely it will come between this 120 degree and 90 degree. Here from again from 120 degree draw an arc by keeping the same distance. So now if you join this intersection to point B, what you will get? 105 degree. This is 105 degree. Okay. So now here it is 80 degree. Here it is 80 degree. By using compass, you cannot construct 80 degree because 80 degree is not between any of the two angles. For example, consider you know how to construct 60 degree and 90 degree. It is not between 60 and 90 because it is 20 greater than 60 and 10 less than 80. Sorry, 10 less than 90. Therefore, 80 is not between 60 and 90. So here again consider 60 and 120 because you know how to construct 60 and 120, but here it is 20 greater than 60 and 40 less than 120. Therefore, 80 is not between 60 and 120 also. So here you cannot construct 80 degree by using your compass. So take the measurement from protector and consider 80 degree. By keeping it properly on point C, take the measurement of 80 degree. So here I will consider this as 80 degree. If it is straight line from point C, that is 90 degree. So here I consider this as 80 degree. Slightly deviated from straight line. It is not vertical to point C. So here I got point B, point C, this is 105 degree, this is 80 degree, and now from point B, point A is 4 centimeters. Here take the measurement of 4 centimeters in compass and place the needle on point B and intersect this line at a distance of 4 centimeters. So now, like this only, here C to D, It is 6.5 centimeter. Again take a measurement of 6.5 centimeter in compass and place it on point C and intersect this line, which is of 6.5 centimeters. This is 4 centimeter. This is 6.5 centimeter. So here this is point B. This is point D. Now I can join these two points, point B and point D. This is how to construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two angles are given. See here again what I did. First I will draw one rough diagram. How? Here I will consider when two angles are given. So here I will consider these two angles on baseline only. Therefore angle B, angle C they have given. Therefore I will consider this BC as the baseline. Here angle B is 105 degree, angle C is 80 degree. So here BC 5 centimeters, angle B. So you know how to construct 105 degrees by using compass, because here 105 degrees between 90 and 120 degree, and you know how to construct 60 and 120 degree, and to construct 90 degree it is between 60 and 120 degree. So now we got the 90 degree and 120 degree. Between these two angles 105 degree is there. So if you are not clear with this, try to see the first part, means introduction part of practical geometry. There I discussed it very detailed. So you can get to know how to construct these angles by using compass. So this is how to construct 105 degree, and at point C here it is the 80 degree. 80 degree is not between any of the angles, means 60 degree and 90 degree or 60 degree and 120 degree. So we cannot construct 80 degree by using compass. Therefore by taking the protector, place it properly on point C and take the measurement of 80 degree. So here I consider this as 80 degree, and now from C to D it is 6.5 centimeter. Take the measurement of 6.5 centimeter in your compass and intersect this line, which is of 6.5 centimeter. So now you will get point D. Like this only, B to A. This is point A. Sorry, this is point A. It's not B. AB is of 4 centimeter, and again what you have to do, take a distance of or measurement of 4 centimeters in compass and place it on point B and intersect this line, which is of 4 centimeters. Now you can join these two points A and D. So this is how to construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two angles are given. Okay. So now I will move to the next example. We can consider these examples as construction of special cases. Construction of special cases. So special cases means here in example 1, what they have given, square with 4.5 centimeters. Square with 4.5 centimeters. So here they have not given all the sides and any of the angle. Directly they have given that square width 4.5 centimeters. We have to construct a square width 4.5 centimeters. This is why they called it as construction of special cases. So here we all know properties of square. What are the important properties of square? Here in a square, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Means they are given square with 4.5 centimeters. Means here all the sides should be 4.5 centimeters only. Because they are given square with 4.5 centimeters, and we all know the property of square. What is that? Here all the sides equal to each other, therefore where all the sides should be 4.5 centimeters only. Like this only, we all know here in a square all the angles are 90 degree only. Here all the angles are 90 degree only in a square. So by using this rough diagram we can construct a square. So here I will name it as A, B, C, D, and first I will draw baseline AB, which is of 4.5 centimeters. Which is of 4.5 centimeters. This is 4.5 centimeter. And next, what we know here, all the angles are 90 degree. Means angle A is equal to angle B, angle C, and angle B. All these angles are equal to 90 degree only. So now this angles A should be 90 degree, like this only, and B should be 90 degree only. So now I will construct 90 degree by using compass. How to construct that? 90 degree is between 60 degree and 120 degree. Because 90 is 30 more than 60 and 30 less than 120. Therefore it is between 60 and 120. Now you all know how to construct 60 degree and 120 degree. Take a minimum distance in your compass and draw an arc by keeping the needle on point A. So now by using this arc, keep the same distance of the compass and place it on this line of intersection here, and again draw an arc. It will give us 60 degree. By using this 60 degree, again draw an arc, we will get 120 degree. So now we all know this 90 degree is between 60 degree and 120 degree. So now I can get 90 degree. How? I will draw an arc by keeping the needle of the compass on 120 degree line intersection here. By keeping it here like this, I will draw an arc. Here I will draw an arc by considering the same distance of the compass. And again by keeping it on 60 degree, I will draw another arc and join this line with point A. So this is 90 degree now. Like this only, I will construct again 90 degree on point B. So again I will draw an arc by keeping the middle of the compass on point B, and again I can construct 60 degree and 120 degree by keeping the same distance of compass, because this 90 degree is between 60 degree and 120 degree. So now I can get 90 degree by taking this line of intersection by keeping the compass on point 60 degree and 120 degree. Now again I will join this line to point B. This is 90 degree at point B. So now we all know point D is 4.5 centimeters from point A. What you can do now? Take a measurement of 4.5 centimeters in your compass and place it on point A and draw an arc like this at a distance of 4.5. Like this only, by considering the same distance means 4.5 centimeters, place it on point B and draw an arc like this, which is of 4.5 centimeters. Now you can join these two points. Suppose for example consider this is 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc like this from point A. Take 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc on this line like this only by keeping the same distance means 4.5 centimeters. C is 4.5 centimeters from B. Therefore, keep the same distance of the compass and place it on B and draw an arc which is of 4.5 centimeters. Now you can join these two points. Okay. So now this is point D and this is point C, where it is this is 4.5 centimeter and this is also 4.5 centimeters, and here also it will be 4.5 centimeter only. Okay, and you will get here also 90 degree only. This is how to construct square when one side is given. They are given here square with 4.5 centimeters, square with 5 centimeters, sorry 4.5 centimeters. So here, and they are not given any angle. So here what we can do? We can consider all the sides as 4.5 centimeters only, and we all know that all the angles in square always equals to 90 degree. Therefore, we can consider it as 90 degree. So here I will consider this AB as the baseline, which is of 4.5 centimeters. Like this only, I will construct 90 degree on both point A and B by using compass, and from A I will consider 4.5 centimeters distance, and B also I will consider 4.5 centimeter distance, and now I will join these two points C and D. I get C and D. This is how to construct square with 4.5 centimeters. In next class I will discuss another special case, which is rhombus. I hope you all are clear with these examples. Thank you all.